Hi, this is John, and we're going to be demoing the project my class in tech school created for Halloween last year. So let's get started. Load the scene. So it's a virtual interpretation of Dante's Inferno because we couldn't play video games in class, so we did this all the time in class. But it was really fun and was kind of related to cyber, and got to dive into learning some programming. It's lagging a little because I have a toaster computer, but I feel like we'll still get the gist of it. So the first circle is called Limbo, the first circle of Hell in Dante's Inferno. And here you'll find a bunch of virtuous non-Christians like Homer, Estrato, and Julius Caesar. And the way we portrayed it, they're just partying. Pretty cool. And then the second circle is the circle of lust. And as you can see, the king of this room is one of our good friends. But the reason why the victims here are portrayed this way is because they allowed lust to overpower their reason. And so for the rest of their lives, or rest of eternity, they're blown around by great gusts of wind. And now we're at the circle of gluttony. The gluttonous just, they just wallow in putrid bile slush forever. So, kind of basic, but it sucks. The next one is the circle of greed. And greed is interesting, actually kind of boring how it's portrayed in Dante's Inferno. Basically, they're pushing bags of money and jousting with each other. But we just decided that changing their heads to random gold shapes was creepier. Basically, like their greed completely swallows them. Here we have the level of wrath. In Dante's Inferno, those who were wrathful suddenly, they were doomed to drown in the river of Styx forever. Whereas the actively wrathful, those who, I guess, hit a lot of people because of anger, they would tear each other apart from the surface of the river Styx forever. Oh, what's this? Looks like there's some kind of gate right here. But let me just... secret room! Okay, cool. I don't really want to... What the heck is going on here? Let me out! Okay, cool. A chest. Ah! Okay, sweet, got the sword. Yeah, I expected that because I freaking made it, but there are a couple Easter eggs in here. And so now we got the sword, so we can start killing people. And it's fitting that this Easter egg, or this hidden quest, is located on the level of wrath. So the next one is heresy. Heretic, basically, they're encased in tombs to be burned forever. In other words, they just have like a really hot sauna for the rest of eternity. Oh, oops, I skipped that jump scare. So we all took the Security Plus test, and it was just like, it was the boogeyman of tech school. So that's why this guy's supposed to pop out when we walk in, except I ran in and just ran past him. But let's kill Security Plus, we can kill him again. Yeah, so this is a circle of violence. In violence, the perpetrators burn in, I think it's called they burn in Phlegethon for eternity, which is a river of blood and fire. So kind of sucks. And here we have the circle of fraud. Now, the punishment for fraud in Dante's Inferno was kind of boring too, so we changed it and just made it creepy. And these guys have no faces. They can't breathe, they can't speak, they can't see. All they can do is hear and just walk towards you and try to steal your money because they're cursed. Alright, let's get out of here. That creeps me out. And finally, we have the Ring of Treachery. Now, pretty much they just get, you know, stuck inside the ice. Big deal. But we have a little Easter egg over here. So let's say you walk into the center. There's actually no collider right there. So you fall in, and if you're looking down, it's supposed to be another jump scare, like seeing this face rush towards you. So this is just a little hidden parkour area. Let's see if I can actually do it. It's not easy, actually. Oh, that was close. It's hell, so there can be floating things that defy physics. Nice. Okay, crap. Okay, so there's another feature. If you press space and R, it resets, and then we can just run all the way back. Because I want to show the ending. So, yeah, passing by all the rooms that we just explored. And finally, we make it to the end. Jump in. Escape hell. Okay, that's awkward. The trigger didn't work. But... oh, there we go. Okay. Just took a while to load. Alright. So I'll just sit back and watch the credits. So, if you're interested in creating something for this year, let me know. Put it in the comments or shoot me a message. I haven't even started doing anything for the project, so we can still talk about ideas, like what the heck is it gonna be, first person or maybe some kind of scroller. So yeah, let me know if you have any ideas or you want to actually help with map design, coding, art, anything. Because I want to make something really fun just for kicks. So let me know. Thanks for watching and happy developing.